Editing and converting are the two most common tasks in PDFelement. Because the interface is designed to mimic Microsoft Word, most users find it very easy to navigate. 1. How to edit PDFs. PDFelement allows you to edit text, images, and links just like you would in a standard document editor. Editing text. 1. Open your file * launch PDFelement and click Open Files to select your PDF. 2. Enter edit mode * click the Edit tab in the top menu. 3. Modify content * click on any text block. You can now delete, change, or add new text. A side panel will appear allowing you to adjust font size, color, and style, bold/italic. 4. Add new text * if you need to add a new section, click Add Text in the Edit toolbar and click anywhere on the page to start typing. Editing images and objects. 1. While in the Edit tab, click on any image to select it. 2. Resize or move * use the blue corner handles to resize or simply drag the image to a new location. 3. Replace/rotate * right click the image to see options for replacing, rotating, or extracting the image. 2. How to convert PDFs. PDFelement can convert your documents into over 20 different formats, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, while maintaining the original layout. Standard conversion. 1. Open the PDF you wish to convert. 2. Select Format * click the Convert tab. You will see icons for to Word, to Excel, to PPT, to Image, and to Text. 3. Settings * before finalizing, you can click Conversion Settings to adjust the DPI, for images, or choose to combine all pages into a single Excel sheet. 4. Save * choose your output folder and click OK. Converting scanned PDFs OCR. If your PDF is a scanned image, you cannot edit the text until you use OCR, optical character recognition. 1. When you open a scanned file, a blue notification bar will appear saying we detected this is a scanned PDF. 2. Click Perform OCR. 3. Choose Scan to Editable Text and select the document's language. 4. Once finished, the document will become a standard, editable PDF that you can then convert to Word or Excel. 3. Batch Processing, Pro feature. If you have dozens of files to convert or edit at once, * go to the home screen and select Batch PDF. * select Convert, OCR, or Compress. * drag and drop all.